Hello everyone, I hope so you are doing well. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you the predictions for writing task 2 in January 2023, the most expected topics for January 2023. But before that, I will share how can you improve your vocabulary for IELTS writing task 2 and how you can add even more words in your IELTS vocabulary. In this video, I'm going to share with you about the topics as well, but how you can prepare the vocabulary list for those topics. First of all, what you have to do, you have to write the definition of the word and then put the word into a sentence to contextualize it. It will helpful for you to improve your long-term memory because in short-term memory you can use only word once or twice, but if someone a word is for in your long-term memory, so it will be very helpful for you. Next, what you are supposed to do, what other word forms are connected to it. First of all, you will find the definition of the word, then you will contextualize it in a sentence, then you will find the noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, then you will find the other relevant forms of that verb. And then you will look for the synonyms and you will find out the pronunciation of that from Google. Again, you have to prepare the collocations for that. What is the meaning of collocation and examples? I will share with you. In the English language, collocations refers to a natural combination of words that are closely affiliated with each other. Some examples of collocations are pay attention, fast food, make an effort, and powerful engine. Collocations are a combination of verb and noun and adjective, noun and adverb, like that. So it's mean you have to add something with noun. So in this way, you will get more better score. Collocations are very helpful to improve your score not only in reading, in writing and in speaking as well. For example, in reading, you shouldn't go for read words. You should go for the collocations. I mean the group of words. It will increase your speed for reading. So now let's start towards our prediction for writing task 2 for January 2023. You will find here that topic is environment, sports, health, work, television, food, government. And now I will share with you some vocabulary as well for writing task 2, how this vocabulary can be helpful for you. Our first topic is technology, and the vocabulary for that is available here, and you can find the word and the use of the word in the sentence. In this way, you can prepare your vocabulary list. In this video, I'm going to share with you, around 2 to 3 or 4 methods how you can prepare your vocabulary list. This vocabulary list will be very helpful and you can choose any method, any single method according to your ease to prepare your vocabulary list. And with the words, you have to write the is it noun, verb or adverb. And then you need to use that word at least in 2 to 3 sentences. In this way, this word will be very strong in your memory and it will be very easy or comfortable for you to use that vocabulary, the specific vocabulary for your writing task and for your speaking as well. You can take screenshot of this and you can select some words according to your ease, and if it's not easy for you, then you can let me know. I will share the PDF as well for this vocabulary so you can prepare from it as well. And I will share this PDF in PDF form on my Facebook page as well, so you can find there as well about this all these words and vocabulary and the topics in PDF form. It's very useful for you. Another method that I'm sharing with you, that how you can prepare your vocabulary list, word or phrase, then you can write parts of speech. Is it a noun, verb, adverb or whatever it is, then you have to write the meaning of that word. And after meanings, you can use common collocations related to that word. For example, natural habitat, wildlife habitat, threatened or endangered habitat, damaged, destroyed habitat. And then you can use that word in a sentence. And then you can write the pronunciation as well for that verb. You can see this is a very useful method, and in this way you can prepare almost 10 to 12 or 15 vocabulary words for each topic, and believe me, it will increase your score from 5 till 7. If you are at 5 level in your normal writing task 2, but with this type of some 10 to 12 vocabulary words, advanced level of vocabulary, you will increase your score almost one band for you, and you will go from 5 to 6. Almost normally students are at 5 or 5.5. When I'm evaluating different tasks, writing tasks for the students, I can see or I can say you that okay, your writing task is at 5 or 5.5. But how you have to increase the score, only you need to use complex and compound sentence structure, some advanced vocabulary, and advanced level of grammar. This is only three key points that will help you to enhance your score from 5 to 7, 7.5 or 8. Now we will move towards our next topic, and our next topic is about, again, I'm here sharing with you another method. In this method, you can use the collocations with the examples. The topic is law and collocations and example sentences. For this, I have selected some important vocabulary words that will enhance your score from 5 to 6. But if you will use more of them, then your score can be from 7 till 8 or 7.5, like that. Again, you can find here I prepared these collocations with example sentences. This is another method as well that you can use to get help from this video to improve your score. And then I mentioned here our topic as well, writing task 2. Actually, this writing task 2 is for the people who wants to get score like 5, 5.5 or 6. In this way, what they can do, they can prepare a structure and then they can use that vocabulary, the collocations according to the sample in this essay. But actually, for this type of, you can say, essay, and to solve this type of criteria is you need help from someone. Always take help from someone to evaluate your writing task too and your speaking. Reading you can do by yourself, listening you can practice by yourself, but until no one is going to check or evaluate your writing task too or evaluate your speaking level, you can't improve your score in these two modules. So you need help. You can find anyone in your area or surroundings, and if you're not having anyone, you can contact me. I will evaluate your lesson, your this essay for free, and I will help you to increase your score. I will evaluate your essay and then I will share with you my feedback. So next essay you can write according to that and then you can share it with me. So in this way you will increase your score in speaking and writing as well. So our next topic is sports. In this topic also you can find I am sharing the collocations with examples. The sentences also you can find sample sentences as well. This is also very helpful, another method, but I think this is little difficult method and advanced level method that is not for the person or the students who wants to get score 5 to 5.5 or 6 or 6.5, like that. My IELTS family, actually writing is little difficult rather than other tasks. We are very good in listening, we are very good in reading as well sometimes, but it's very difficult to increase our score in writing. Mostly you will find people are getting 6, 6.5 in writing due to their moderate, you can say medium level of vocabulary and sentence structure. If you just add some high range of vocabulary, advanced vocabulary, 10 to 12 advanced vocabulary words in your writing task or in your speaking, then your score will be from 6 to 7. Believe me. Different type of things are there and different type of methods are there. You can use any method according to your strategy. Another important thing in your writing task or in speaking is comparison. At least you should have to add 5 to 6 sentences with comparison. For example, here you can find now with our new topic, the topic is about work. And again, I added here selected some collocations for you with some explanation and example words, sentences. The first one is to be called for an interview, to be invited to attend an interview. Example, although he has been called for an interview, he hasn't got a job yet. To be your own boss, run your business, be self employed is All these are vocabulary words are here that you can use related to topic of work and in your writing and in your speaking as well. For example, here a third word I selected for you: a 9 to 5 job, a normal job that consists of an 8 hour a day. Example, the idea of doing a 9 to 5 job is quite difficult for few people. Then our next topic is television. And you can find here, what about following topic: the television is good for you, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of watching television. Actually, this is also another important topic for our this coming exams in January. The problem is that you can prepare these topics as well according, you can prepare according to my method, and if you are having some another method that you are feeling is more comfortable for you and you are practicing already, you can use that method also for your vocabulary. But only you have to prepare these topics properly for introduction, for their body paragraph, and for their conclusion. uh, Predictions means some topics that you can prepare in a proper way. In a proper way mean you can prepare proper vocabulary for them, and you can prepare some sentence structure for them. And if you need my help to prepare these topics, I'm available here as well. You can just leave a message in comment section, and I will come back to you. Then we can discuss about your problems and the criteria that how you can work on your weaknesses or your problems. Our next topic is food. So here again, I shared the method how you can prepare some vocabulary for food. You can select all these vocabulary words, as well as I mentioned here almost 36 or 37 vocabulary words. You can use all of them. You can use some of them. It's according to your choice and according to your likes and dislikes. So at the end, you can send me your writing task for evaluation. I will take some time, might be 1, 2, or 3 days. I will read it and I will share my feedback with you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Best of luck.